When you walk around a marina, you're going to see all kinds of interesting knots, and I don't want you to have interesting knots. I want you to have good ones. Here's a common mistake made, hooking what's nicknamed the smart end of the line, the loop, to the cleat. I want to adjust this line out there, but now look at what I've got. I've got to pull the rope all over the top of the cleat. Instead, since that's our mooring point there, we're going to put the rope in this way, and then we've got the line coming out facing our mooring point. Now on this end, I'm going to bring the line around the far end of the cleat. I'm going to come around this end and cross over, come back under. Now, lay that over. And you've got these two lines riding against each other with this one over the top, and it's the friction that makes that knot secure and it won't pull out. Now a Flemish coil is the way experienced captains tidy up their lines on the dock. To do that, you just take the end of your line and start turning it, and it does take a minute or two. When people see that, everybody knows you've been around the world a time or two. Now you may not always have a cleat or a fender hanger where you need it, and I need a fender right here. So I'm going to use this bow rail with a clove hitch. To do the clove hitch, I'm going to take the line over the rail, come around on this side, cross over, come back under, and I'm going to take the bitter end through the crossover line. As you can see, you've got these two lines laying together with the cross line holding it firmly in place.